Hello, viewers at home. My name is Alabasta Degboyega. I'm from Metrobus Production. We want to interview some single people. Maybe it is good to have sex before marriage or not. And we are here in city of Ibadan. So come along with us. Thank you so much. Chop knock now. How you dey, bro?
I do alright though.
Do you support this idea, sex before marriage?
I want to support.
Now let us know.
If I don't have sex with babe, I want to know say she be good man. Say she good for bed. No, as I do so, I get like four or five girlfriends. Yeah. I don't have sex with all of them.
You have sex with all of them?
Why I don't go have sex with them?
Bro, you won't kill yourself?
Why I go? I don't feel die now. Why?
Okay, let's assume that you meet a girl now and you truly love her, and the girl insists that no sex before marriage.
Which kind of thing be that? Why you go tell me say no sex before marriage? Now me want marry her, now she want marry me.
You want to marry each other now?
Now me want marry her, no be me go propose.
Now you
carry dowry go.
Now you now.
Yeah. So anything where I want, now you go accept with me.
Okay.
If I date babe, we must have sex. Maybe a week or 2 weeks after we started dating self. We must have sex. You out of your body now. Why I don't go?
You know, some guys used to say that you will have to wait for like a year or 6 months before having sex with you.
Those guys when they wait that time they be mumu. I'm from Edo State.
Oh, you are from Edo State. Oh, I know say Edo State guys and girls.
You know they carry last too.
Wow. Thank you, bro.
Why?
Thank you. Thank you, bro. Yeah.
Thank you.
I got a question to ask you.
What is that?
Do you believe in sex before marriage?
No. For me, I prefer marriage before sex.
Marriage before sex. But okay, let's come to think of it that on your wedding day night and you discover that your husband has no dick or he can't perform very well. You understand that, and maybe it's not up to your satisfaction. So what are you going to do?
I used to hear about that, but really, for my own part, I'm not used to those kind of things, so I don't know what will happen. But then everything depends on God. That's why you have to go for tests, medical tests before you get.
Okay, but what if your guy insists that he must have sex with you before marriage? So are you going to leave him for that, or you are going to agree with him?
Then it's going to be breakup. I would advise that you have to understand yourself before you go into a relationship. You will give your rules and regulations. This is what I want and this is not what I want in a relationship.
But some guy believe that love is sex and sex is love. Do you buy the idea?
Those that are guys. To me, no, love is not sex.
So that means you haven't have a taste of.
That's personal, please.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Sister, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
I got a question to ask you. Is it good to have sex before marriage? Yes or no?
Yes.
Explain for us.
In some circumstances, in this civilized world today, some men believe without sex there is no love. Some men believe to taste what they are going to have, because it's not easy to choose the right woman to spend the rest of your life with nowadays.
Okay. Hello, sister, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Good.
I'm from Metrobus Production.
Okay.
I get one question to ask you. Do you believe in the idea sex before marriage?
Oh, that. No, not really, because by legally, it's not good. So.
Okay. So are you telling me now that you won't allow any guy to meet you to have sex with you until your wedding night?
Wow, that is a big one. Yes.
So that means you are still a virgin.
Okay, I'm not going to answer that.
Okay, you know what? On your wedding night, if you discover that your guy has no dick, what are you going to do?
That is not possible.
So you must have.
No, it's not possible for a guy not to have.
But why? As in the other time you said no, and now you are telling me another thing. So.
No, you said wedding night, right?
Yeah.
And it's not even possible. First, it's not possible for you.
It's not possible. So Okay. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
I'm from Metro Bros Production. Do you believe in sex before marriage?
Okay, that's like no, actually, no, I don't.
Why no?
No, because I feel like no matter how much it's still practiced every day, we still know it is wrong. It is wrong. But I'm saying no doesn't mean like I don't know. No.
Okay, you know what? Some guys believe that without sex there is no love, and some even believe that the lady they are getting married to, they must have tested her. Maybe she's good on bed or not. You understand? So let's come to think of it that on your wedding day night, if you discover that your guy cannot perform well or the guy has no action, what are you going to do then?
I feel like before you don't have to actually test it before you marry. I'm sure that before you guys actually married, you guys are probably be together. You would have known if it's possible for him to actually even perform or not. You might not actually know, but you have an idea before the marriage because you guys are going to spend time together. Now, the issue of performing well or not, I feel like as long as he can, I won't say that, let's say before marriage, if I actually practice, I actually like tested him and he cannot perform, I won't leave him for that reason. But not that I can't perform at all. Not like you're probably not dysfunctional. You don't even, as in you probably don't have an erection. It's different from not performing at all. I think that one can still be worked on.
But what of it if the man has no dick?
It's not possible. I would like dating. I don't know if you have dick or not.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Have a nice day. Viewers at home, as we can all see, we've heard a lot from people. Different opinion and different answer. Some say they can't do without sex before marriage, and some say they don't believe in it. So to watch more video on Metro Bros, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.